Welcome! DPR Maruti Peace Garden is strategically located in Mugalivakam, Porur, Chennai in a calm and peaceful location, free of pollution and noise, yet with ease of access to all important places in Chennai. The location is the clincher, right in the heart of the city. The airport is a just short drive away. All major educational institutions, hotels, hospitals, etc. are in the immediate vicinity. It consists of 92 elegantly designed with an option of single, double and triple bedrooms flats, over stilts plus 4 floors. In short, DPR Maruti Peace Garden has got all good things wrapped up at a special price and is a pure value for money. Project with uncompromising quality. CMDA approved. The children's play area will give your children enough option to play a wide variety of games and with many more amenities. Or ready to move. About DPR Maruti Home Finders Private Limited is a Chennai-based real estate company incorporated with the sole aim of providing quality homes at affordable pricing. We very well understand that owning a home for many families is a lifelong dream, and we help them in realizing that dream with quality construction and transparency in every step, right from planning till handover. We start all our projects with a firm commitment on quality construction using finest materials, trained team of architects, engineers, project managers, effective space utilization and on-time handover, and thus fulfilling dreams well on time. Overall, we assure the best housing opportunities while maximizing the return on investment for our clients. The company works on certain values like professional approach, high level of accountability and transparency, uncompromising quality and value for money that has made the builders make a mark in the reality market. The company has a mission to create affordable and comfortable living for its customers. It dreams build a brand name by constantly delivering nothing but the best. About harvesting, project fulfill with harvesting rainwater. About walking, in this project we have 500-meter walking track within compound. About metro, just 3 km nearby the project, very close to DLF, L&T and Trade Center. Block A. In Block A, double bedrooms flats available from 900 to 935 square feet and also triple bedrooms flats available from 1247 to 1341 square feet. Block B. In Block B, single bedrooms flats available from 590 to 598 square feet and also double bedrooms flats available from 897 to 971 square feet. Block C. In Block C, single bedrooms flats available from 610 to 616 square feet and also double bedrooms flats available from 867 to 986 square feet. Block D. In Block D, single bedrooms flats available from 591 to 598 square feet and also double bedrooms flats available from 899 to 1061 square feet. Structure: RCC framed, earthquake resistant structure with brick masonry walls. Door and windows, main door frame and door in teak wood. Day doing, wall tiling in toilets up to 7 feet height and above kitchen counter up to 2 feet height. Granite jambs for lift opening and staircase. Plumbing. All lines with UPVC, CPVC, PVC of ISI brand. All sanitary fixtures from Cera. Provision for water purifier, washing machine and water heater. Flooring. Vitrified with nanotechnology. 2x2 tiles for main flooring and anti-skid tiles for wet and car parking areas. Kitchen. Jet green granite countertop on kitchen. Stainless steel kitchen sink, bath fittings from Oria. Electrical. 3-phase connection for each unit. All cables, switches and accessories from ISI certified companies. Provision for water heater, washing machine, water purifier, AC, TV, phone and UPS. Painting. All internal walls with premium emulsion and all external walls with ACE exterior paint from Asian Paints. Lift. Spacious lift from Kannan Lifts. Covered car parking, park and walking track available. Available at our compound are Mini party hall, gym, temple, library, spa. Complete shopping on supermarket facility available. ATM facility. All floors lift availability. Your kids enjoy with swimming pool. Complete covered car parking and also available open space car parking. Route plan by Gin Road towards DLF and Miyotipilla, DLF and Mayotipilla. Come from Gindi. You have to get down Mugilivakam Signal bus stop nearby Kedar Hospital bus landmark, Ayyappan Temple at Sabarinagar, Krishnaveni Nagar and Sri Lakshmi Nagar of Mugilivakam. Near Ramachandra and Mayot Hospital, near Ramachandra and Mayot Hospital, just 20 minutes drive to airport, just 1 kilometer to Porur Outer Road, walkable distance, so many schools with international quality.